Hi, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and welcome to Align Wellness Center. Here at Align Wellness Center, we help people with reoccurring health conditions find the blockages in their health and develop safe, natural, non-surgical ways to live amazing, fulfilling lives. You see, what most people don't realize is that aches and pains occasionally we're normalcy supposed to have. However, reoccurring symptoms or symptoms that don't go away indicate that there's a blockage in our body's ability to heal. Our three-dimensional biostructural analysis is designed to quickly and safely find those blockages in your health and get you back to healing and living an amazing life that you deserve. Go ahead and take the next best step and click the button below to schedule an appointment, or give us a call and our team will talk to you at no cost to try to help you figure out what's your next best step. Don't you deserve to live an amazing, healthy life for yourself and for those that you love? I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I'd love to be a part of that process with you.